Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing another Boxycharm unboxing, and this is for the month of January 2020. I'm super excited to see what I received in here because I have been watching a lot of spoilers and a lot of unboxings and everything, and everyone seemed to have gotten like amazing stuff. So I'm super duper excited for this. Oh, by the way, sorry I sound like crap and I look like crap. I just got sick a few days ago, and it's just like my nose is really congested and it's horrible, but let's just get over it. Like always, I will be doing a giveaway at the end of every Boxycharm unboxing video that I do. I set some products aside just in case I want to keep everything in the box or whatever, but if I do end up giving away more than one product in the box, then I set some things back and I save that for a future video. I mean, not video, future giveaway. So if you want to know how to enter into the giveaway and what products that will be in the giveaway, then make sure to stay tuned until the end. Oh, also, I am subscribing to a bunch more subscription boxes, but I don't think that I will be doing giveaways with them. I just think that I'm going to be doing giveaways when I do Boxycharm because that's what I've been doing from the beginning. So I'm just going to stick with the OG original plan that I've been doing. And yeah, so if you want to see more subscription unboxings, then make sure to be subscribed to me. And so let's just get right into this unboxing. Alright, so it is opened up. Here is a little bit of a sneak peek of what is in the Boxycharm box this month. I see a lot of skincare, so let's see how it goes. This month is called Breaking the Ice. I love it. It's so awesome, and it's funny because I am obsessed with ice right now. But let's just kind of pull and grab. So the first thing I see here is the Pretty Vulgar concealer, and this is in the shade 63, the middle ground. So this guy's MSRP is $16, and it literally looks like it's my skin tone. So that really sucks because I would be so super excited for this if it was just like a few shades lighter. Like that looks like if I put it on, it would just be a foundation for me. So yeah, if this was just like a shade or two lighter, that would be perfect, but yeah. Up next here is this. It's an 8-hour Radiance Renewal sleeping mask from the brand Avant. I have never heard of this before, but it's just like this really cute small tube. There's 50 milliliters in here, and this guy retails for, how much does it retail for? Oh, here it is. $107, guys. This little guy is $107. Can you believe that? That's crazy. Wow. Okay. Anyways, moving along, we have here another mascara that I have too many of, and this is the brand Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. But I'm not gonna lie, the packaging is so cute. I love like the floral print on it. Super adorbs. And this MSRP is at $16. Oh, I'm sorry, I totally read this wrong. This is $25 and this is $16. I got it all switched up, but this is $16. The concealer is $25. Up next here is the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream with Ruby Crystal Complex. Ooh, that looks cool. And this MSRP is $55. And this is what the little tube looks like. And there's 15 milliliters in here. That's 0.5 fluid ounces. And Dr. Brandt is an amazing brand. Last but not least, this last item here in the Boxycharm of 2020 is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. Made in Italy. Cool. And this guy's MSRP is at $28, but this is a pretty decent size. And I love, love, love exfoliators. I just ran out of my Holy Grail exfoliator, so this will be going in the shower with me. That is everything that I got for this month's Boxycharm. So this is a really, really short video. And here is my ending results, well, ending thoughts. I am not super impressed with the way that they are starting out Boxycharm with me. I just feel like last month for the Boxy Luxe, I was super spoiled for it. So this month just didn't really hit me with like a wow, you know? So I don't know, like honestly, the only thing I'm super excited for is the Skin & Co. Exfoliator and this 8-hour Radiance sleeping mask. I've never tried any sleeping mask for your face before, so I'm really excited for this. But other than that, like the concealer, I would be super excited for. That would have been like the star highlight of this box, but it's too dark for me. And then the mascara, I have too many mascaras. I don't need it anymore. And then the last thing is the Dr. Brandt. I love Dr. Brandt products, but I don't use eye creams, to be honest. And I know I would never touch this. So I don't know, like watching other people's videos and seeing them get like face palettes, the watermelon mask, and from Glow Recipe, and like that Tarte Diamond highlighter, I feel like I got gypped this month. But yeah, hopefully February is a lot better than this month, and let's just hope it was just a bad start of a new year. But since I know I'm never going to be using any of these 3 products, I will be putting them into the giveaway, and these are the 3 products that you guys will be able to win. So if you want to know how to enter, then let's get on to the rule. So rule number 1, you must be following me on Instagram. I will leave my link down below in the description, like always. Number 2, you must find this picture, which will be, the thing will be linked down below as well. And like the photo, comment on the photo how your new year is going. And rule number 3 is to tag 2 friends in the comments of the photo. And rule number 4, for an extra entry, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and also comment that you're subscribed to me, and that will give you an automatic second entry to win these products right here. That is it for this video. It's very, very short, and I will see you guys in my next one. And make sure to stay tuned and be subscribed for some more videos coming up. I have a whole bunch of new ideas that I will be doing for this whole year. I really want to get my head in the game of making videos again. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!